So this is our final video for week 7. I'm going to go over how to do the training reflection, and starting at slide 39. So there's a couple of options here. One is, so if you remember way back when I did backwards design and explained how I'd know if you've achieved the learning outcome for week 7 and week 8, I want you to be able to describe best practices, right, for creating a training module or helping people at the IT help desk. So if you want to do the option 1, which was describe and write a report, then what you're going to do is watch a video, and then this is the scenario, and answer these questions. So what are 5 specific universal design for learning strategies you can use? And explain how or why the strategy will help your coworker. And use the information that was in the video or one of the UDL checklists. So when you click this link here, you'll go to a list of resources that you can use. So just use that information to help you write your report. The other option, which I'm hoping you'll do, is option 2A or 2B. Kind of the same but different here. It's like your elevator pitch. You can either record something that you capture on the screen or record yourself. So create a video tutorial that teaches a student at Dunbarton High School in Pickering, Ontario, how to perform an IT-related skill that's important to know when you go to college. So the purpose of this is I have connected with the teacher librarian, Karen, at Dunbarton High School, and she's told me about making one of their goals of working Wednesdays, which is something that they hold the last Wednesday of the month at the school, is to make sure students are prepared for life at college or university, so post-secondary education. So she said, could your students teach my students something? And I thought, yeah, we can do this. You can teach them in just a few minutes something that you wish you'd known, or something that you didn't know you were going to have to know, or some little tip or trick that's helped you have a better experience at college or university, something that's IT related. And you're going to just do a short video, and we're going to talk about videos next week and learn about best practices. So hopefully you'll incorporate best practices. You won't just demonstrate how to do something, you'll teach, okay? And then you will upload it to YouTube and make it public and share the link with me. In the following videos, there's a video I posted here. I'm going to give you an example of something that you could teach. And I call it a how-to in 10 minutes, but I really don't want a 10-minute video, as we'll talk about next week, but something they could learn if they watch the video several times over 10 minutes. And the kind of IT-related thing that a non-computer programmer analyst or systems student maybe could learn and would need to know might be something like how to find and install a scanner app on their phone, right? Because you always seem to need to upload or scan and upload something in PDF, and if you don't have a scanner, so maybe you could show them how to do that. Or maybe they're going to suddenly have to find their way to campus. So explain how to connect Google Maps from their phone to the screen in their car. Or maybe they're going to need to relax when they're at college or university. So how to create and share a Spotify playlist. That would be fine. Or maybe install and use multiple screens, because maybe you're going to suggest to them it's helpful to have multiple screens for when you do your homework. Or maybe how to use Discord. So any of those things would be appropriate. We're not looking for huge in-depth, but just a couple of minute video on how to do something that would be helpful for them when they go to college or university. This is an example, and you're going to see further down in the slides that I actually have a link to a video that shows you my example. So good luck with this, and hopefully if you have questions, you'll be asking them this week or in week 8. Thanks.